An explosion at an international paper mill in Manson, North Carolina, injured an undisclosed number of people and sent at least one to the hospital. The local sheriff's office said emergency crews responded to reports of a blast at the packaging and box plant during the early morning hours of May 26th. International Paper confirmed to IEN that a boiler-related incident occurred at the facility and said employees were evacuated. The company added that first responders treated 2 people on site for minor injuries. The cause of the explosion remains under investigation. International Paper closed the facility and plans to reopen once officials determine it is safe to resume operations. The company will rely on its broader box plant network to continue servicing customers. The Warren County Sheriff's Office said that a, quote, few employees had non-life-threatening injuries, while the North Carolina State Bureau of Investigation reported that several employees sustained injuries. The Office of the State Fire Marshal said the hospitalized individual has since been released. The OSFM will lead an investigation into the explosion, noting that officials must assess the building's structural stability and address other safety concerns before conducting a full scene examination. North Carolina's Bureau of Investigations will assist with the effort. Headquartered in Memphis and London, International Paper manufactures fiber-based packaging products. The company employs nearly 65,000 people worldwide and operates in more than 30 countries. The North Carolina OSFM has not responded to IEN's request for comment. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.